Right, the last video on this topic 3.3. So this is again the rinse and repeat. I think if you have watched the previous two videos, we were following this chart and we just apply it over here. So that's pretty straightforward. I'll just write the answers for you to verify. This is going to be, to start with, sine 0 is going to be 0. Cos 3 pi over 2 is going to be 0. Sine 3 pi over 2 is going to be -1. And okay, sine 5 pi over 6 is 1 over 2. This is root 2 over 2. This is going to be quadrant 3, so that's negative root 2 over 2. This is quadrant 4, so that's root 3 over 2. This is quadrant 4, so that's negative root 3 over 2. That's quadrant 2, so that's negative 1 over 2. That's quadrant 2, so that's negative root 3 over 2. This quadrant 3, that's negative as well. This is quadrant 4, so that's positive. And likewise, isn't that, okay, no, these are different. Sine 2 pi over 3 is in quadrant 2, so that's positive. Root 3 over 2, this is quadrant 3, so that's negative 1 over 2, that's quadrant 4, negative root 2 over 2, that's quadrant 3, that's negative root 3 over 2, that's quadrant 3, that's negative root 3 over 2, that's 1 over 2, positive, quadrant 1, positive, root 2 over 2, quadrant 1, positive, root 3 over 2, this is 0, this is 0, this is quadrant 2, which is root 2 over 2. This is quadrant 1, which is 1, sorry, root 3 over